Hi everyone, this is Livy Wise with Hayward Distributing at Equip Expo in Louisville in the Maruyama booth with Spencer, aka SB Mowing. Spencer, how is the show going for you so far?
It's good, it's busy. Day two definitely busier than day one, but it's awesome being able to go around and see the equipment and see a bunch of people every year from around the whole US that I don't really get to see all the time, so it's been fun.
Well, you know, obviously you use some different Maruyama pieces in a lot of your videos and a lot of your landscaping projects. What is your go-to piece of equipment that you typically use?
For my edger, it's the BL300. You know, I like maximum power, I like that 30cc. For my trimmer, I use the 26cc. Just so it's a little bit lighter, I don't need as much power unless I'm getting into some big brush. And then for my blower, I like to go all out. I use the BL9000 backpack blower. It's maximum power, it's got over 1,000 CFM, and so I get, you know, it's able to do work really quick.
You know, speaking of that, how has Maruyama equipment kind of changed the way that you typically work? Do you find yourself getting through things a little bit more efficiently? Talk to me a little bit about that.
Yeah, a lot of what I do, you know, I'm starting and stopping equipment all the time. And it's really nice because almost every time I pick up my trimmer, my edger, you know, I just pull it and it goes. And so that's really nice, and it really helps me speed things up.
You know, you have handled obviously some intense lawn jobs, some intense landscaping work. What would you say is the toughest job that you have done so far, and how did Maruyama equipment perform?
Oh man, it's probably, I'm thinking of an overgrown sidewalk I actually did in Temple, Texas. It took me 2 days to dig up the dirt from the sidewalk, and so Maruyama really helped me because I was able to take my edger and really cut out sections of it to where I could work in small sections. And I never have issues with Maruyama bogging down, and I can always rely on it starting and not, you know, stalling out on me.
If you were to recommend Maruyama equipment to other landscapers, other guys in the industry, what is, you know, the one piece that you feel like they have to have in their lineup?
Oh man, I think the BL9000 backpack blower, all the Maruyama pieces I've used, I've loved because I've been using them for 2 years now. People see the crazy overgrowth and the hard work that I put them through. And so it's really nice to have a piece of equipment that you can buy and, you know, that you're investing your money into, that you know you're not going to have to replace every season. And so you're not going to have to replace the BL9000 backpack blower. I've had the same one for 3 years and it's still going strong.
Awesome.
Yeah, if you guys haven't heard of Maruyama or have never ran it, I encourage you to get out to your dealerships and try it out. They've always got great sales and promotions going on. It's, as I said, it's really a buy it for life item. They've got awesome warranties, so go check them out.
Spencer, thank you so much for chatting with us
You're
today.
welcome.
Definitely give him a follow at SB Mowing on all platforms.
All platforms.
All
yep.
platforms. And like he said, if you are interested in any Maruyama equipment, get in touch with us at Hayward Distributing or head out to your local Maruyama dealer. Thanks, Spencer.
You're welcome.